In this video, we're gonna take a look at CIN7 inventory management. So basically on CIN7, you can connect suppliers, warehouses, and sales channels into one real-time system. So basically you don't have to worry about suppliers, warehouses, etc. inventory. You can basically take care of all of these within this management application. Now, as you can see, we have solutions, products, we have industries. So as you can see, we have the features. So inventory, as you can see, we have inventory management, purchasing, warehouse, planning and forecasting, and much more. We can also take care of finance. So we have accounting, capital, payments, reporting, etc. Sales, business to business, e-commerce, and much more. So all within this app. Now you're gonna have to request a demo first. So you're gonna have to click on this button here, and after that you just have to fill in this form in order to get access to the demo, and then you're gonna be able to basically purchase the product. So you're gonna have to enter your first and last name, your business email, phone number, company name, country, and industry. And after that, you just have to wait until they reach out to you. Now, if we go to pricing here, so let's scroll down here. As you can see, so we have the standard, pro, advanced, and the custom one. So the lowest one is $350 per month, and then we have the pro one. So depending on how many users you basically want, you're gonna have to pick a plan, and of course also the volume of sales. So around 6,000 per year, you can choose the standard one. But if you have over 100,000, you're gonna have to go with the advanced one. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.